Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how millionaires just seem to keep multiplying their money, while most people are stuck living paycheck to paycheck? If that sounds like you, then this video is exactly what you need. You've probably heard the statistic that the average millionaire has at least 7 streams of income. 7. Meanwhile, the average person relies on just one, usually their job. And while that might have worked for our parents' generation, in today's world, it's nearly impossible to survive, let alone thrive, on a single source of income. So, in this video, we're going to break down the 7 income streams millionaires use to build incredible wealth. And more importantly, we'll show you how you can start developing them too, even if you're starting from scratch. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our weekly videos on wealth, mindset, and financial freedom. Alright, let's jump straight in. The first income stream is the one we all know best, earned income. This is the money you get from your job, your trade, or any time you spend working for someone else. It includes your salary, hourly wages, or even freelance contracts. Basically, it's money you get in direct exchange for your time. Earned income is the most common starting point, but it's also the most limited. Why? Because your time is finite. You only have 24 hours in a day, which puts a hard cap on your earning potential. Let's say you earn $30 an hour and work 10 hours a day. That's $300. To make more, you have to work more, but you can't just create more hours in the day. On top of that, earned income is taxed at the highest rates. In countries like the US, you could be paying up to 40% or even more. That's precisely why millionaires don't stop here. They use their earned income as a foundation, a launching pad to build other, more powerful income streams, the kind that make money even while they sleep. This brings us to our second stream, profit income. Profit income is the money you earn by selling a product or service for more than it costs to make or acquire. It's the very heart of entrepreneurship. Think about it, buying or creating something for $10 and selling it for $50. This could be a physical product, like handmade jewelry or fitness gear, or a digital product, like an ebook or an online course. The real beauty of profit income is leverage. You're no longer just trading your hours for dollars. Once your product is created or sourced, your main focus shifts to marketing and scaling. And thanks to the internet, starting a business is more accessible than ever. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon FBA have opened up global markets to everyone. You can literally start a business from your living room. However, a word of caution. Success in business isn't automatic. Many first-time entrepreneurs fail because they neglect crucial steps like market research, budgeting, or marketing. Always plan carefully. Validate your ideas before you go all-in, and manage your cash flow like a hawk. Next up, number 3, interest income. Now we're starting to get into the truly passive stuff. Interest income is money you earn simply by lending out your money, not your time. This can come from a few different places: high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit or CDs, government bonds, or even peer-to-peer lending platforms. While the returns might seem small at first, often between 1 to 5%, the risk is typically very low, and the effort required is minimal. You basically set it, forget it, and let the interest payments roll in. The magic really happens when you combine this with the power of compound interest. Over time, your small, consistent investments can grow into a significant sum. Millionaires use interest income to keep their money working for them 24/7, it quietly compounding in the background while they focus on building their other ventures. Our fourth stream is dividend income. This one is a favorite among serious investors. Dividend income comes from owning shares in companies that distribute a portion of their profits to their shareholders. And when you own their stock, that shareholder is you. Let's say you own stock in a company like Apple or Coca-Cola. If they announce a dividend of $1 per share and you own 1,000 shares, you'll receive a check for $1,000 just for being an owner. Many wealthy investors are able to live entirely off their dividend income. It's a true form of passive income, and here's a bonus. It often comes with significant tax advantages. In the US, for example, qualified dividends are taxed at much lower rates than regular earned income, sometimes as low as 0 to 20%. Warren Buffett, one of the richest people on the planet, earns billions in dividend income every single year. And what does he do with it? He reinvests most of it back into buying more dividend-paying stocks, creating a powerful cycle that continuously compounds his wealth. Next, we have income stream number 5, rental income. This is another classic and powerful source of wealth. It's the money you earn from leasing out assets you own. This most commonly means real estate like houses, apartments, or office spaces, but it could also be things like vehicles or equipment. In the past, getting into real estate required a huge amount of capital, but times have changed. With platforms like Airbnb and Booking.com, a strategy called rental arbitrage has become popular. This is where you rent a property long-term and then sublease it for short-term stays at a higher rate, creating a profit margin without even owning the property. Of course, the key to success here is management. You have to treat your rentals like a real business. That means keeping them well maintained, providing excellent service to your tenants, and understanding the seasonal trends in your market. Millionaires often diversify their real estate holdings between residential, commercial, and vacation properties. Either way, it's a fantastic income stream that not only provides cash flow, but often appreciates in value over time. This leads us perfectly into stream number 6. Capital gains. Capital gains are the profits you make from selling an asset for more than what you originally paid for it. For example, you buy a stock for $100 and later sell it for $150. That $50 difference is your capital gain. Or, you buy a property for $300,000 and sell it a few years later for $400,000. That's a $100,000 capital gain. Millionaires use capital gains to rapidly grow their net worth while, again, minimizing their taxes. In many countries, long-term capital gains, that is, profits from assets you've held for over a year, are taxed at a much lower rate than your regular income. This allows you to keep more of your profits and build wealth faster. The trick is to invest in appreciating assets, things that are likely to grow in value over time. Think real estate, blue-chip stocks, fine art, or even promising startups. And finally, we have our 7th stream, royalty income. This is the holy grail of passive income. It's money that continues to flow in long after you've done the initial work. Royalties are earned when other people pay to use your creations, your ideas, or your intellectual property. Some classic examples include musicians earning royalties every time their song is streamed on Spotify, authors earning royalties for every book sold, or inventors earning royalties from a patented product. Even franchise systems like McDonald's or Subway are built on royalties paid by franchise owners to use the brand and business model. One of the most famous examples is J.K. Rowling. Decades after the first Harry Potter book was published, she still earns millions every year from book sales, movies, and merchandise. Creating an asset that generates royalties is incredibly difficult, but if you succeed, it can provide a stream of income that lasts a lifetime, and can even be passed down to your children. So there you have it, these 7 income streams of millionaires. Let's recap. Earned income, profit income, interest income, dividend income, rental income, capital gains, and royalty income. You don't need to start all 7 at once. In fact, you shouldn't. Begin with 1 or 2 that best fit your skills and lifestyle. Build them steadily, reinvest your earnings, and diversify as you grow. Remember, becoming wealthy isn't about luck. It's about strategy and consistency. Millionaires simply understand how to make their money work for them, instead of just trading their time for it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content, and drop a comment below letting us know which income stream you plan to start first. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building your wealth.